Okay, here's the last QVT for you for today. Not forever, just for today. I put a cuff in my pants, and this is a crazy all over print, and I decided to use a golden tan thread or a dark brown thread or whatever the color is here in the fabric. So, of course, when and if you ever did cuffs, it's always good to stitch in the ditch. You can see I missed the ditch. Stitch in the ditch at each side seam when the cuff is coming up. But this is going to be so far down, I'm not worried about anybody seeing the color. But I did it here on the side too. That was a little bit better than a ditch, but I needed to have some reinforcement on the front and on the back because I noticed the cuff was unfolding. So I don't want to show. So what I did was I just did a small stitch in the area where the color was the same as the thread. So you won't be able to see it. So all I'm going to do is pick out that one little stitch there off the brown, and I'm good to go. So that's for tacking down the front and the back of your cuffs if you have a busy print. Hope this helps.